Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you the easiest way to remove the dental cap. Most of our clinics have cow-horn forceps which is used for tooth extraction. This forceps is having two horns. Of these two horns, one horn is kept firmly on the occlusal surface of the tooth, and another horn is engaged buccally or palatally wherever you get the catch. Now you can put some pressure on the handle along with buccal and palatal movements. In this way, crown can be easily removed without damaging the underlying tooth and its PDL. This is another example for the same case where the grip was taken palatally. Here in this another case, crown was firmly attached to the tooth surface. This technique is less time consuming and causes very less damage to the underlying tissues. Personally, I feel this technique is better than using a crown remover, which puts lots of pressure on underlying PDL. Do share your thoughts on this technique in the comment section. If you like this clinical tip, please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more such educational content. Thank you.